AdSense Profits Pro. Generate passive $5,000 monthly income with AdSense. AdSense Profits Pro, the all-inclusive system that banks 4 figures per month. Warning: this is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it will definitely show you exactly how normal people cash in day and night with 1 or 2 hours working. Simple and newbie-friendly. No need to be a tech-savvy. No need to have an email list. No need to go spamming groups. Use free traffic to get incredible results. Scale up easily with cheap traffic. AdSense Profits Pro comes packed with everything you need to know and use to fire up a complete AdSense machine. You will learn how to quickly make money online with Google AdSense. You walk through the entire process from setting up to make real cash. You don't need any previous experience, as we have it covered. How to build a complete website, generate content, drive traffic, use free traffic to get incredible results, or scale up with cheap Facebook ads if you wish. Beside the training, you also have the access to checklists, essential resources and useful bonuses. AdSense Profits Pro upgrade offers OTOs. OTO 1, DFY sites, $34.95, $36.95. Let us do all the hard work. You just grab this ready-to-go site and start profiting. What you will get in DFY site, done-for-you articles, free professionally designed theme, attractive-looking logo, legal pages, necessary instructions to deploy that site on their server hosting. OTO 2, traffic boosters, $27. Triple traffic from 3 most popular social platforms: Facebook, Pinterest and Reddit. Your subscribers need as much traffic as possible to make the most profits from the website. That's why we provide them with proven methods to generate unlimited and free traffic from Pinterest, Facebook, Reddit. OTO 3, SEO expert training, $27. Google is considered as the main traffic source for any website. If your subscribers are struggling to make their websites rank high on Google search result for traffic, this guide is the right guide for them. SEO expert training helps your subscribers improve the ranking of their websites in order to increase traffic and revenue. We also offer a special bonus, which is the guide on how to set up and run Google Ads effectively. Running Google Ads is not new at all, but without proper targeting methods, your subscribers will just throw money out the window and end up getting little traffic. That's why in this special training, we will show them the way to generate targeted traffic who is really interested in your niche from Google Ads cheap and fast. OTO 4, DFY setup, $97. We take care of the entire setup process in order that your subscribers can jump straight in monetizing. This DFY setup includes build a complete, ready-to-launch site, install WordPress, set up theme, set up logo, set up header and footer, set up pages, about us, contact us, privacy policy, install essentials plugins, set up a Facebook fan page and a business account for that fan page, connect the FB fan page and the website, set up auto poster, install DFY website if purchased. OTO 5, Business Toolkit, $17. Your subscribers will get a valuable package of the following assets which help them succeed in online business: 20 powerful plugins, 40 DFY contractor videos, 200 customizable logos, premium banner, premium stock video collection, agency ride included. AdSense Profits Pro, generate passive $5,000 monthly income with AdSense.